How to transfer data from iPhone 12 to iPhone 16. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to transfer all your data from an iPhone 12 to an iPhone 16 in just a few simple steps. No cables, no stress. Let's get started. 1. Place both iPhones side by side. Make sure both devices are charged and Wi-Fi and more Bluetooth are turned on. 2. Turn on the new iPhone 16. A quick start screen will appear on your older iPhone. Tap Continue. Scan the animation. Use the iPhone 12 to scan the movie animation shown on the iPhone 16. 4. Set up Face ID. On your new iPhone, follow the steps to set up Face ID or Touch ID. 5. Choose how to transfer data. Select Transfer from iPhone. This will copy everything: photos, apps, settings, messages, and more. 6. Wait for transfer to complete. Keep both phones plugged in next to each other. The transfer can take 15 to 60 minutes, depending on how much data you have. Tips section. Optional quick notes. This method keeps all your data and settings exactly how they were. You don't need a computer or a cloud backup. Works best when both phones are on the latest iOS version. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to transfer your data from iPhone 12 to iPhone 16 using Quick Start. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.